Hi there, HubSpot heroes, ready to learn how to create a workflow in HubSpot in 59 seconds? Let's automate your processes and shine because you will become a superhero with your superpowers. So go to your HubSpot, go to automations and workflows, click on create workflow and select from scratch. And here you can create on a different object. So you have contact, company, deal or ticket. These are well known. Some are locked in, you cannot use them because you need a specific subscription. Before you had different type of workflow, now you just need to create a blank workflow and you can configure the type of the workflow once you created the workflow. So you can enroll contact based on different trigger. So here I can select when an event occurs, when filter criteria is met, or based on a schedule. Let's say we want to set someone as a lead if they fill the form. So I go over there, I search for form submission. Anytime someone fills the form, he will be enrolled inside this workflow. If you want to test if the contact will be enrolled inside the workflow, you can add the same criteria over there. And now you click on test contact and you can select someone. And now you know if the contact is enrolled inside the workflow or not. Here you click on the plus button and you will be able to do a lot of things such as sending communication, creating or updating records inside your CRM, and also adding people to a list. By default, contact can be enrolled only one time inside a workflow, but if you click on re-enrollment, you can toggle on and content can be re-enrolled several times inside the workflow. I hope you like this tutorial about how to create a workflow in HubSpot. Give us a thumbs up and press that bell icon to subscribe to our channel to get more tutorials like this. And also, don't hesitate to comment inside the section. I will answer to you. Until next time, keep automating and stay awesome. Bye.